All right, so we out here this morning at a, what do you call this place? Old fucking home? Rest home. We out here this morning at a rest home, and they got a water main leak back here. They got a bunch of fiber and fire hydrant, main line, and some electrical and all kinds of stuff over there. So we just come out here to assist them and try to get it opened up where they don't do no damage, where they can get the water main stopped. Got a little bit of power run up here and a little bit of fiber optic cable. And what we're going to do is just get down in here. Once we get this water pumped out of here, we're going to get down in here and we're going to expose whatever needs to be exposed till we get to the problem where the water line's got a leak in it. It's broken. It looks like it's got a pretty good water leak just looking at this hole and how much water's in it. I don't know exactly what's in it, but we'll get ready to find out.